pop up and then you cut it out.
Okay, Jules, we are here with our baby birds trying to wake them up. We had birds inside of a nest that was on our front porch, and apparently the mother has left the nest, and so we are trying to nurse the birds back to health here. It is very late. It's about, what is it, 10:30, 11? And if you have any ideas on how to wake baby birds up, please let us know, but here we are. So we've tried the telephone that has bird sounds coming from them. We don't know when the last time the baby birds have eaten, so we are trying to make sure that they don't die before we give them some meat. Right now, currently we have some small blueberries. And so here we go.
Oh, weeds.
He's scared. He taking his little arms.
Oh, sorry, babe.
Yeah. Dad, pick them up.
That one's scared.
You want to get a glove or something?
Then once you pick them up and separate them, take them, wet them things up. Oh my God.
It is on the head.
But look how cute they nest is, though.
But they comfortable.
No.
They all snuggle. They still
Yeah,
snuggle.
let's wake them up though.
They need to eat.
Cause
Look how cute their nest is.
it's
That ain't good enough though.
well, then I'll cut more up.
No, we can't eat. You can't eat blueberries all night.
Okay, then we'll figure out something else after they get full off of that.
Stand back.
Come on, buddy.
You gonna put them on something soft? Watch his little feathers.
They don't want to get up.
Let them sleep. I say let them sleep for a while.
Until they
Every
wake
night
up.
we do have to give them.
But he like he's squishing him.
They got all
That's how they do. They've been doing this when they were born.
What about that one that's way down there?
That's what they-
He's still
Yeah,
breathing.
the other
He's
one.
still breathing.
He breathing fine though.
That's how they sleep.
Why don't you put them on that napkin right there? Make check
No,
the
we
other
should let
ones
them
right
sleep,
up under
boy.
there.
When they get up, they get up.
Shut up.
They're too loud.
They look up. They ain't used to hearing.
Oh.
He's waking up when you. It's really soft with him.
They all breathing.
They breathing. They need to eat.
Yeah, put your head.
Dad, don't touch their eyes. I know they don't got none right now, but
They do have eyes.
no, you can't see them right now. But don't
Right.
touch their eyes.
They right now, but they look closed and stuff.
Yeah.
But for regular.
What's about? Can we see this one here?
I just saw him. That's why I lift him up.
Yeah, I'm breathing.
I just lift him up to make sure he was okay. I just lift him up. I don't want to move him, but they feel like they get him up.
Okay, they getting up. They getting up.
He getting up.
Yeah, he was on top of him.
Found to put the light back on there. Who is getting up? I ain't seen
Dad,
nobody.
they can feel you breathing on them.
I ain't seen nobody do anything.
Yeah.
He's trying to, but he got his brother on his back.
Yeah, Dad, pick them up so they can be separated.
I thought you said you was gonna get some kind of straw to kind of so we could separate them.
I thought about just
I
picking
don't
them
need to
up.
separate them right now.
Yes, we do.
They ain't.
They ain't even been in the house for no hour. These birds are already asleep. Let them wake up and then we feed them all. We got time in the morning. Walmart open up at what's called. We can in the morning. feed
They
them
might
and
not
drop
make it
them.
through the night.
They gonna make it.
I want the mom to come back.
They was
If they was what's called, they'll get up.
They like,
If they were that hungry, they would get
This
up.
what they saying. They saying let's just close our eyes and act like we sleep so nothing ain't bad. What
Clearly,
happened?
we need help here.
We need to wait for them to get up though.
They might not wake up.
But they breathing though, and then I
Oh
think
my
if they was
God!
in the
If
state-
these birds die,
They need to wake up.
They had to eat.
just separate them.
They had
That way
to-
they can all
Yeah.
get up on their
Yeah.
own.
If that's, I don't see no
If they're
reason-
weak, the other ones are
They're weak.
squishing them.
That's what I'm saying. That we, the one on
Just
top.
give
Cause
me
this
one.
acting crazy. The other one on top, he's squishing
See?
both of them. His little face
Yeah.
up.
Put them, put them in.
I can go.
Oh, he's.
Okay, hold on. I want to break his wing.
He bit you.
No, I'm gonna break his wing.
No, he's not gonna
Oh,
bite.
he just want to go back to sleep. He put the wing back
No,
on.
I'm saying, he won't go. Leave him alone. Let him sleep tonight. Tomorrow.
Won't you go upstairs with Naisha?
That's the best thing.
Won't we put you to bed? Won't we put you to bed? Go upstairs. Go upstairs with Naisha.
If he didn't want to be sleeping.
Good night. Let me give you some kids. Good night, boo boo. Good night, boo boo. I'm gonna put you to sleep. Go to sleep.
That water should have woke them up.
Trying to wake
Somebody
up.
should
So
probably
I'm
hit
afraid
them.
that they're not gonna make it through the
Yeah,
night. But you have Musclehead over here, think he know everything, like he a bird conservatist.
His foot up on the other bird.
Yeah.
I can't move him like that because his foot up on the other bird.
It's gonna hurt.
Well, Tank, get the second one. You used to touching birds.
Maybe sleep.
Just gently, so we can move them and separate them. I feel like they'll wake up if they weren't.
Tell Granddad, tell
No,
Granddad.
they get up. They would have got up by Big Daddy, Big Claws on
Someone
him.
else need to pick it up.
No, Daddy has to be real gentle.
That's what I'm saying. But they would have at least woke
I
up. That's
think-
not no regular bird touching it. That's a whole human.
Can we get something like a fork? You want like a fork or something that we'll never use again?
Mom, for what?
The kind of like the other end of it, not the part we eat with, but the part to kind of help you lift.
Them birds
Off
is
his
comfortable.
foot.
They going back to that. So he in that same spot that you just moved him from.
Would you go to bed? Nice, where you at, girl?
Come get your man.
Please.
Bring him to bed.
They been done died, then he gonna be looking stupid. Oh, oh, oh.
But no, really, look how she made the nest.
It's really nice.
Like, look how she did
That's
that.
what they do.
It's just amazing to see.
Because you're going to pick some grass.
She got some string.
Ashley, you sure quiet over there.
And you go actually